Do you want to turn your handwriting into editable text without typing it all again? You can do it using selection mode in Samsung Note. Let me show you how. First, open Samsung Note and then open your handwritten note. Remove your S Pen. Tap the selection mode icon twice. You can use either lasso or rectangle to select the handwriting you want to convert. For this example, let's select all the handwriting. Now tap the more icon on the pop-up menu. Then tap convert to text. A pop-up window will show you the converted text. You can edit the converted text directly if needed. There's also a settings icon. Tap it to choose the language and where you want to insert the converted text. You can choose new text box or body text. New text box, insert the converted text as a separate text box. While body text, insert it into the note's regular text area, just like text you normally type. For this example, let's choose new text box. Tap done to save the setting. If you only want the converted text, tap copy to copy to your clipboard or tap convert to insert it into your note. However, if you change your mind, simply tap undo to reverse the conversion. And that's how to convert handwriting to text in Samsung Note on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.